Alright, hey gang, this is Charles. I figured I'd do a little tutorial here showing you how to actually set up your banner codes to make them clickable so that when people click on it, it'll actually kick them out to the URL that you want to send them to. I know a lot of people are asking questions, so I'm trying to answer that as best I can. Um, it's very easy. You only need two things. You need the image source file, which would be the location to where to find the file, and then you need the link to wherever you want to send them to. And it's a small little code setup, so it's pretty easy to do. Um, so what we're in the back office here where the banners are located, right? So you pick which banner you choose to you want to display on your web page or blog post or whatever. Save the image. Make sure you save it in a spot where you're going to be able to find it. All right. Now, so we're going to go to our dashboard. This is the Empower Network blog. I personally don't use this blog. I have my own setup, but it's a great place to store files. You get a lot of storage space. So if you're instead of going out to like free image URL hosting and junk like that, you can just do it. You can upload it straight to your dashboard. That way you don't have to bother with playing with other people's advertisements and crap by using their site. Alright, so go into your dashboard here, go into your media menu tab here. You're going to add new. Alright, hit select file, pick the one that you want to code for. Hit open. After you upload it, you're going to hit your edit button. Alright, once you hit edit, now the file URL location is going to be right here. Alright, right click that and copy it. Alright, now that you have that, you can go to like a text editor just so you can save it for reference. Paste that here. Now I have Sublime Text too. This is just my choice of text editor. You can use Notepad.exe or whatever Mac comes with free. You don't have to go out and pay for anything. You can do it right inside of Notepad. But once you have your link to where the actual file is stored, you leave that there. And we're going to go in here and we're going to open up. We're going to copy and paste our squeeze page link, right? I personally use Beach, so we'll copy that. And we'll go back to our text editor. And we're going to paste that there. Alright, now for the code. Like I said, it's very simple. It doesn't involve a whole lot of coding. Now what you're going to do is whenever you go, whenever you're doing a blog post or if you're trying to save it in like a widget area or something like that, this is how you're going to code it in, put it in there. First you're going to open your anchor tag. And then we're going to reference this out to the address to where we're trying to send the person once they click on it. That would be the address right here. We want to send them to our squeeze page here, right? So we'll copy that. We'll put it inside quotations. After the equals mark, you're going to have quotations wrapping the link. So once you have that pasted in, we're going to close that tag. We're going to open up another image. We're going to open up another tag. This is going to be your image tag, IMG, and we're going to tell it where to find the source for that image. All right, and that's going to be that's the address we got when we uploaded the file to the Empower Network blog. So you copy that, you put it inside the quotations, paste. All right. Once you have that, you're going to close the tag, and then you're going to close your anchor tag. Okay. I'll break this up so you can see it a little better. Alright, now let me explain a little bit, or explain it again, what we have here. Alright, you're going to open up your anchor tag, which is the A. Reference source is going to be the link to where you want to send them, which is our squeeze page. Make sure you have quotations wrapping that link address, and then close your tag out there. You're going to reopen an image tag, IMG, call the source to where that image is located, and that's going to be where we upload it, or the address to where the image was uploaded to Empower Network's blog. You right click, copy it, paste it right here, and then close out your quotation, close that image tag out, and then we're going to fully close the anchor tag here. Right? So for a image, or for a link tag, you got to have two. We need to remember you got to have two elements to that. You're going to have the image source file, and then you're going to have the link that you want to send them to. All right, so after you have that set up, copy it. That way you have it in your clipboard. Now, I personally don't use Empower Networks blog. I have my own setup. So we'll go into mine. All right, once we get in there, we'll go into the dashboard. It's going to be similar, set up pretty much exactly like your Empower Networks is, because it's WordPress. It's the same thing. All right, so go down. I'm going down in my widgets. This is what I want. If I wanted to display it on the side, like I said, you could still display this just straight up on a blog post. I'll show you both versions. All right, so let's see here. All right, so we're going to display this one. I'm going to display this one. Or the first example will be showing you how to display it on the widget side to the right. So once you pick the widgets you want to use, like I said, I haven't really messed with Empower Networks other than using it to upload files to, so it might be a little bit different. So I can't promise you it's going to be the same there. Go down and add code. You're just going to post it, and we're going to save this. Now, when I go to open up my page, internet's a little bit slow, can't you tell? Alright, and then boom, there's my banner. So when you click it, it's going to go to here. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it from your blog post. I'll just go back into here just so you can see it through here. Add a new post. We'll just call this blah blah blah, and then wherever you post it inside your page, like you could have like a couple paragraphs, and then you wanted to post a banner right underneath that paragraph. So you're gonna blah blah blah. All right, and then we're gonna paste the code that we got from right here that we put together. And then when you go to preview it, all right, Power Network. See, wherever we posted that code, that's where it's going to show. All right, I hope this was a little helpful. If you have any more questions, just respond back to me. I'll try to help you the best I can. All right, I hope you guys have a good day.